Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today I want to make a video about the top Twitter clients to use for Android. So the first one is Phoenix. So Phoenix is a Twitter client that uses the material design look. A lot of top YouTubers out there like MKBHD, TLD use Phoenix on when they're using Android as one of their main Twitter clients. And it actually looks really nice. It runs really smooth, and it's one of the top Twitter clients out there when you are looking at the Play Store. And of course, it uses the material design update, so it uses every new API design that Android releases for developers to use. And then next is this one here called Talon. So Talon, for some reason, is not opening right now. So I guess there is a problem with this one right now. Let's try one more time. Okay, so this one is not working, but maybe if we close it like that, and then we'll go back. There we go. Okay, so Talon is also good looking app to use Twitter on. It's not one of it is one of my favorite ones to use when switching around Twitter clients. But the best thing about this is just that it looks really nice. That's pretty much it for me. But what I don't like is when this pops out. So when this pops out, I go click. Of course, it takes me up, but it doesn't reload it automatically. I have to pull down and then I have to click it again. So I should be able to see the new tweets without having to reload when that pops out, but for some reason it doesn't show it. I have to do it twice. And so that's the only problem I have with Talon. But other than that, it's a good looking app. If you guys want to support this developer, it's an awesome one too. And yep, we'll go to the next one now. So the next one is called Falcon Pro. So Falcon Pro is made by a developer who actually now works for Twitter and has said that he'll keep updating this app whenever he can, and it'll also be testing grounds for him when he's working something out for Twitter. So this one's actually one of my favorite ones. It looks really nice. I like the dark look, and the past two apps that I talked about, Phoenix and Talon, you could actually you could change them to dark mode too. But this one just looks really nice in dark mode, and it comes as a default one too. And that's why I like this one a bit more than the other two. And so it's a really nice app. I like this here. I like how, oops. When I click that, of course, you get to your profile, shows you if you have any interactions, which I don't. It shows you your information, how much people you're following, how much people are following you, direct messages, and when you swipe like this, you get to your mentions, and then here you get to your favorite tweets that you saved. So I use this a lot. So this is actually one of my favorite apps to use. Don't worry guys, I'll post the links where you can download these apps, of course, in the Play Store. And these three apps do cost money. They're not free, but they are worth every single penny if you're a hardcore Twitter user. And the last one, of course, is the main Twitter app. Sure, Twitter's app is kind of behind on the other Twitter clients, but it is one I keep I always keep this one on the phone. I never delete it, just because Twitter's playing around with some cool updates like mansions, and so I always want to know what they're working on so I can make future videos as well about their new Twitter clients. But this one, of course, if you're just a casual Twitter user and you're just using Twitter just to see what's going on around you, then I recommend you just download the free version of the Twitter app. It's a good app, but if you're a hardcore Twitter users, I do recommend you download one of these three from the bottom here below. So that's it for now, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.